أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبه أستعين في جميع الأمور اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم وارحم وترحم كما صليت وسلمت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Blessed, climate smart greetings on the start of the birthday month of Jesus Christ, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, and the birthday month of the president of SAMS Tesla Inc. and the youngest director of SAMS Tesla Inc., Ali Asgar's first birthday, which we will be celebrating on December 3, 2022. So in this happy month, we are offering SAMS Tesla 53 PGCs gold coin to owners of one share of 53 PGCs SAMS Tesla Inc. by offering 8 billion residents Qardan Hasana, by enabling the global leaders to provide Qardan Hasana to their citizens so they can acquire one share of SAMS Tesla Inc. and receive the birthday gift of SAMS Tesla 53 PGCs gold coin. So everyone can participate in our program simply by transferring, opening the account, getting a Bitcoin wallet in bitcoin.com and sending $72 to MUSK Foundation Bitcoin wallet to initiate this wonderful journey of climate smart business with traction. So we will be building our SAMS Aligarh Muslim University Tesla Giga Factory campus towns in Karachi, in Dubai, in Nairobi, in Mumbai, and in Kampala. So these 5 destinations, will be, utilized to train 7 million engineers by enrolling them in 5,300 PGCs Global Executive MBA in Climate Smart Business with Traction. So pass on this message. Special request for dua to all those lucky residents residing in the holy cities of Makkah Muazzama, Al-Madinatul Munawwara, Baitul Maqdis, Karbala Mualla, Najaful Ashraf, to do special dua to enable SAMS Tesla Inc. to build Tesla-powered SAMS Wheel of Life Farm School, 1,000 apartments, Al Saadah Towers in these holy cities, in the university campuses of these holy cities, to enable us to provide total quality service to Hujjaj Kiram and Zairin. So nothing to lose, just fill the form and pass on this message to everyone in all languages of our world. So no one is excluded. Everyone participates in this program to enjoy inflation-free, total quality life in SAMS Wheel of Life Palm School, Al Saadah Towers in SAMS, Aligarh Muslim University, Tesla Gigafactory campus towns, which we will build in all countries of our planet. My WhatsApp number is 923332283257. My brief introduction is that I've acquired my basic education in chemical engineering from Karachi, proceeded to Wayne State University to got my master's in chemical engineering, diversified into food science, got PhD from University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign, did postdoctoral research in complex food systems in Nova Scotia, Canada, started at Procter & Gamble in Pakistan, served as Associate Professor of Industrial Engineering and Management at Institute of Business Management, where my MBA students converted TQL-MA, Total Quality Life Maintenance Association into TQL-MA, and today SAMS TQL-MA has been elevated to SAMS Tesla Inc., which we are incorporating in all countries of our planet. Shukran jazila. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammadin wa barik sallim. Warham wa tarham kama sallaita wa sallamta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin.